What about SpaceX? I want to get your take too on SpaceX. Down early trading. Now it's kind of rebounding a little bit. We're back up over 5% for the stock today. It's been a roller coaster, I think, that since we've seen the record-breaking IPO. Where do you fall on SpaceX right now, Karen?
So we're in the camp of it's a bit of a hope and pray. You've got three businesses. One is fantastic with Starlink and providing Wi-Fi services from space. It's a real business. The rocket division, as well as putting up data centers in space, are still TBD. And until we have better comfort that they are going to be successful, there's still a lot of technological challenges with both those divisions. We think that we're going to steer clear of it for now and wait for all the noise to settle down.
And that kind of feels that feels like the common sentiment, I think, at least at this point, right? We had a lot of retail investors get in very quickly. They wanted to see that. They wanted to be a part of the IPO. But, otherwise, and now I think you're seeing some of the reaction and the pullback to that. And I'm curious as we get in, to maybe Anthropic, to maybe OpenAI, and where that money's going to come from for those two giants as well. How do you see this playing out through the summer into the fall?
Well, we will see, I think, a similar trading pattern. You're going to have a lot of people who are pretty excited about Anthropic and OpenAI, and the early believers will want to jump in on those stocks, as well as a lot of retail investors. It was a very tight IPO with SpaceX, so the retail folks who could not get any kind of share allocation certainly bid the stock up pretty high, up into the 180, 190 range. And it backed off and is coming back a little bit today. So I think there's going to be a lot of volatility in the name, and we don't need to be heroes and jump in at this point in time.
Cameron Scrivens, President and Portfolio Manager at JCIC Asset Management. Appreciate your time today, sir. Thank you.